So yeah, there's just a couple things I want to clarify before we go. Um, before we move on, I'm happy to do some like ninth grade problems and stuff like that for sure. But I just wanted to clarify, or at least simplify, the way that I was showing you guys permutations and combinations. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? What's up, Henry? Phoenix? Yeah, yeah. What's up, Summer? Oh, okay. Well, that's okay. We're just gonna go over this in a much more clear way. I feel like as I was explaining stuff yesterday, I was like, because I was trying to explain it without using the actual equations. So I wanted to go over this in I think, a much easier to understand way. And then afterwards, we could talk about, I don't know, we could talk about whatever, really. I probably can't do the ELA today just because I didn't prep anything because it's Friday and I just went and got a burger for lunch instead of prepping, and then I played Brawl Stars instead of prepping. So yeah, um, yeah, basically that it. Thanks, Leo. No way, dude. You're really good. Um, yeah, dude. Skills. Your thumbnail. I showed that to my friend. She was like dying, dude. Like, I actually got 3 thumbnails yesterday, and all of them were like super funny. So I'm gonna use them like next week. I don't know how I'm gonna use them yet. I might edit them a little bit, but I thought they were great, bro. I was like really excited. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let me clarify something about permutations and combinations because I think I found the easiest way to do them. Yes, when you get into statistics and into pre-calc, you will have to use the equations. And bros, the equations are kind of heinous. But I have like a way that we can like, I don't know, that we could do these that is, I think, is really easy. So most people have no problem with permutations, right? So there's two problems that I want to show you with permutations just to start. Um, if we have, let's say, 4 people in line, how many orders, right? And you guys don't have to do this because, I mean, I think it's pretty easy. So 4 people in line, how many orders? And then we have 4 people in line, how many different top twos? Okay. So these are the two styles of permutations you guys are going to see all the time. So this one's super easy. You have 4 spaces in line, and you just ask yourself, how many people could be in this first spot? Well, 4. How many people could be in that second spot? 3, 2, 1. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that's 12 times 2, we're going to get 24. There's 24 different lines that 4 people could make. For this one, how many could be in the top 2? Well, we have 2 positions. How many people can be in this first one? 4. How many people can be in the second one? 3. So there are 4 times 3, 12 different ways we could have the top 2 of these lines. That's a permutation. Most people are pretty confident with that. So yeah, let me go into combinations because this is where generally it gets a lot harder. Um, okay, so let's say a combination question like this. Um, let's say there are 7 people. Um, I'm picking 2 to go on vacay with me. With me. Okay, so here's like a combination question, right? 7 people, gonna pick 2 of them to go on vacay with me. How many potential pairs can I make? Yeah. Cool. So it's like a question like this. Yeah, Jane's on 21. This is pretty simple stuff. Wiz on 21. I'm not gonna write all the names just because I feel like a lot of you guys are gonna get it. So the way to do this one is to say you're gonna be picking two people. Now let me show you the way that I want you guys to think about combinations from the now on. Okay. So actually, hold on. Let me adjust some settings on OBS really quick. Okay, cool. So we have to ask ourselves, we're going to have two people. So we're going to start this like a permutation problem. We could potentially pick out of 7 people for the first spot. And then once we pick somebody, we're out of 6 people for the next spot. And we're going to multiply them. The difference with combinations and permutations is combinations, you're going to have to divide it by 2 times 1. Okay? So first, let me explain to you the factorial. So what we're going to get is 42 over 2. We're going to get 21. Okay, so let me explain to you how I'd like this formula to be. Do your permutation. And then divide it by the number you're picking, factorial. Okay, and this is the easiest I could possibly explain this, bros. The easiest, because they get actually 21, because they get really complicated. Okay, so what do I mean by factorial? A lot of you guys already know this, but if I say 6 factorial, that's the same thing as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Although I guess we don't need to absolutely write that 1 for sure. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So what if we get, I'm going to save this. So what if we get a question like this? There are 8 friends. I'm picking 3 to hang. How many 3-person combos? Okay, so this is really hard now. If you try to list these out, you're going to be in a world of hurt. Okay, so just go to this equation. Do the permutation like you would. You're picking 3 spots. So you're going to do 8 times 7 times 6 divided by how many are we picking? We're picking 3. So we're going to do 3 factorial. So what I'm going to write is 8 times 7 times 6 over 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. This is going to work out to be, that's 56 times 6. This stinks. 6, 30, 33. 336 divided by, this works out to 6. Okay. So what is 336 divided by 6? 5, 30, 36, 56. There are 56 potential combination of friends that you can bring with you to this picnic or party or whatever. Okay, so this is the this is how we go down with combos. Okay, this is how I want you guys to do combinations. Yes, you can learn formulas, but I've simplified the formula as much as possible. This is for non-repeating combinations, which is the most likely thing that they're going to ask you guys. Okay, so hopefully you guys have no more questions about this, but yeah, if you do, I'll be able to answer. Okay, so let's actually do a legit problem. Who wants to be my friend? All right, give me a problem. Look at dudes. Look it. I got paper and I got a new pen. Hold on. Let me show you guys. This is so exciting. I went to Staples. Dude, look it. Oh, dude. I'm going to be so good for so long. Yeah. Oh, is the screen really dark? That's kind of weird. I guess I could brighten it. Does that do anything? Oh, okay. Hopefully that did something. I mean, I can obviously also raise the brightness here too. So yeah, whatever. Will quadratics be in the SHSAT? Chances are no. Maybe the 9th grade SHSAT. Maybe. But you will probably not see them. Just to let you know. Okay, cool. So we could talk about them. I'm super happy to talk about quadratics. But it's just like you might see one question, and it might be a field question. So as far as like my priority and like prepping my students, it's like, we can talk about it if we have extra time. So maybe at the end, you know what I mean? Okay. All right. So let me write a question that is a combination question. Okay. Okay. So here's your first question of the day. Let's get it. I have 10 friends. I can pick 4 to join my party. How many different rating parties can I make? Let's go. Also, remember to have fun. Saggy, to answer your question, bro, you got to ask yourself, do the order matters? Like, if I have friend A, B, and C in my party, is it the same party if I have friends C, B, and A, and D? Just because they're in different orders, the party's still the same. But if you're waiting in line to get gear, then whoever's first, it matters. Or if you're making a 5-digit number, whatever number goes in the first digit really, really matters. Um, what? Phoenix, what are you doing? Okay, wow. 315 for Jane, very good. All right, anybody else? 210 for Geo. Yeah. Yeet's got 540. Good to see you, Yeet. Animation. All right, I'm gonna bust out this formula again, dude. So I'm gonna fold it so y'all can see it. Don't forget. Don't forget Beatrix. Kyle. Noise. Saggy. Elizabeth. Dude. Tejas. What's up, Helena? Helena. Oh my god. Neil. Dude, everybody's coming in. This is good. Yes, yes. Wiz. Dude, notice me. Yeah, Jane, you gotta watch out. Yeet's got 21. Be a little off here, Yeet. Study. Got you, bro. Venna. Cool. Alright, dudes. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's go over it. That's enough time. So yeah, with this formula, bros, you cannot go wrong with non-repeating groups. Like, what do I mean by not repeating? Once you have like John in your rating party, you can't ask John to join again. He's already in that. You know what I mean? Um, Phoenix like that. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So let's do this. Here's the formula. We're gonna do a normal permutation, and then we're going to do number picked factorial. And yeah, this is kind of a basic way to understand it, but it's like a rock solid way to understand it too. Okay, so the permutation, 4 friends, but we got 10 to pick from. That means there's 4 spots. So let's make it a little bigger here. That means we got 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. And we're going to throw that bad guy over. We're going to be picking 4 homies. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, this stinks. That's 72. That's 720. 727. That's 0, 14, 49, 50. Bang. That's 1224. Oh, lovely. What a fun division problem I get to do. Or you guys all got to do. How fun. What a time to be alive, guys. twice. Do you see this pen running out of ink, dudes? Once, 0. Bang, bang, bang. Dude, can I get a quick F in the chat for this pen that just died? Absolutely. Look at the state of that line. Oh my gosh. All right. So yeah, that's how this one goes down. Don't forget this formula, guys. I'll do one more question for all you guys who didn't get it. Yeah, dude, I might show another. Look at that, dude. Absolutely done. Wow. R.I.P. Got like a trash pile by my desk. It's very elegant. Yeah. uh yeah, dude, I got yeeted so hard. I got yeeted twice on this problem actually. Um Oh yeah, so welcome everybody newbody to the chat. Not new buddies. Welcome everybody who's new to the chat. Um yeah, we're gonna be doing SHSAT stuff all summer, all fall. So Jane is trying to get to a duck. So yeah, if you guys want to leave a like, that'd be really dope. But if more importantly, if you guys want to know when these streams are happening and know when I'm going to be dropping new videos, I think I might drop one later today or tomorrow. Definitely leave a subscribe. And yeah, man, I'm trying to get to 900 so I can do an all static stream. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do it yet, but man, there's going to be some static. But if not, then you can't. If you're not looking forward to that, 1,000, I'll probably have another one too. I'm like dying to get to 1,000 subs before October so that I can be monetized for the month of October. And I'm also playing around with the idea of making a separate stream for all of the summer kids. That's like a private stream that like no new people can show up to. Um, so yeah, if you guys are like, what do you mean age charts, Neil? Do you mean like age game problems? So yeah, I'm playing with the idea of like maybe I'll have my normal stream, but once school starts and like new kids start coming, I'll have like a unlisted stream that only you guys will be invited to, just to keep you guys like I don't know in a good size stream or whatever. I don't know. So yeah, just tell your friends about it for sure. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed for sure. All right, here's the last combination problem. I'm gonna make this as hard as possible. Dude, Teos, I'm looking for, I don't know, every thumbnail I've gotten from you guys has like totally cracked me up, man. I'm like about them. For today, I was just like, I just need something really quick. And I kind of want to like mess with your thumbnails too. I want to like, they're like fun. I want to like add to them. Okay, so let me make a really hard combination problem for you guys to see if I can throw you. All right, so just chill. Okay, here's an extremely high IQ problem. Dude, oh yeah, Elizabeth's been here from since 590. Yeah, for sure. Um, let's see. Yeah, I'm really trying to get to 800 bros. That would be, or 900. That would be really sick. Okay, so here's the question. There are 9 meats for the topping on a cake. The cake itself can either be vanilla, chocolate, swirl, or made out of sticks of butter. How many 2-meat cakes could I order if I want both meats on top to be different? Let's get it. Yeah, it did take a long time to get to 800. Yeah, I feel like the 590s were like the medieval period. I don't know, Minty. You gotta get a watch or something, bro. Okay. Um, yeah, Tejas, I guess. I realized that I wrote cake after I wrote meats, so that's just how this one's gonna go down, I guess. That's a good question, Henry. Does the order of the meat matter? Like, if you get 2 meats on a sandwich, ham and turkey, does it matter which one's on top, really? Does it? I like cakes made of meat. What's up? You ate my gum? Okay, 144. We got our first answer. Segi. Bang. Yeah, I think okay. I don't even know where my watches is. What's my favorite meat cake? Probably I don't know. Oh, what's up, Anthony? Dude, that's a hard problem. I only got one answer and okay, Rodney. We got 42. 36 on Helena. Yeah, I threw a curveball in this one. Maybe we'll have to talk about it later. 72. What was that? Henry? Yeah, nice. Henry. Nice. Phoenix got 16. Studies got 72. Yeah, study is like an OOG. Amy's got 144. A lot of different answers, bro. Jane's got a big ol' answer. 3024. Jane, that's a lot of meat cakes. Hope you're hungry, bros. Tejas. Uh, stop putting quotations around meat. I don't I don't know why. I'm just like, Neil, I got you, bro. Minty. Oh, okay, dude. We might need a redemption on these different answers, bro. Yeah, Neil, we'll go over this one, dude. I'm not too worried about it. Neil's got that same answer again. Okay, cool. I'll give you guys like a minute more. This is like a hard problem, I guess. Good job, Wiz. You're getting better every day, bro. I'm not going to email you my grandmama's secret meat cake recipe. Absolutely not. That's like a family secret. Yeet. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's go into this one then, because I think this one is hard. I did throw a curveball into it because we have a combination and then we have a number of cakes that combination can go on top of. That's what we're playing with here, dudes. Okay. Yeah, dude, Minty, I did get that thumbnail. That cracked me up pretty hard. That cracked me up pretty hard, actually. I'm probably gonna use those thumbnails you guys sent me next week. But I just wanted to just throw up something really quick today. Okay, so yeah, well, the cake type does matter, bro, because we'll get our combination of toppings, but that combination of toppings can go on top of a vanilla cake. That same combination could go on top of a chocolate cake. We're getting more options here. You know what I'm saying? So let's just first do these toppings, right? The order of toppings doesn't matter. If I get sausage and bacon, does it matter that I get bacon and sausage? No, they're both going to go on top. So that really doesn't matter. So we're going to do our permutation, 9 times 8. Then we're choosing two toppings. So we're going to do the factorial of that, which is just 2. What we're going to get is 72 over 2. That's going to be 36. Okay, but we're not done. This is how many potential combinations of toppings we can get. That's what this says. But that combination can go on vanilla. That combination can go with chocolate. That can go with swirl. That can go on the butter cake, which sounds really gross. There are 4 different cakes. So we actually need to multiply this 36 by 4, bros. 4, 20, 12, 144. That's what's up. That is what's up. So the people who got 72, not 100 sure how you guys ended up with 72. I know that that's 72 on top, but since the order doesn't matter. Now, if the order mattered, then yeah, you would be right. But then again, we still also need to do it for each cake, so that's a little tough. All right, dude. So it sounded to me like that's definitely how you do it, Yeet. It's definitely not 72, I can tell you that. So yeah, it's time for redemption. This is redemption time, okay? Redemption time, guys. So remember, for a combination, you just do the normal permutation like you would. And this one, we have 2 slots, and we have 9 choices for the first one, 8 choices for the second one. And you divide it by the number you're choosing factorial. So for this, it would be 2 factorial. Great. Okay. Let me see here. This would be 9. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're good to go. All right, so let's do another one. Redemption for all y'all out there. Don't feel sad. You can do it. You got it. I see Wiz. Yep. Yep. Yeah, that'll do you, Helena. So yeah, let's do redemption. I'm gonna make this much, much harder though. All right, so just sit tight for a second. Okay. Let's see here. Blah blah blah. Um. Oh, dude, Rachel, I'm glad your SHSAT went well, dude. That's awesome. Um. Cool. Yeah, dude, Teos, if you make that thumbnail, dude, send it to me for sure. That's hilarious, man. Okay, cool. So let's get this one. Redemption for all y'all homies out there. Time to redeem yourself. There are, and of course it's way harder. There are 11 hats in my closet, and I'm bringing 3 of them with me to the beach. I plan on bringing them packed in either my suitcase, a duffel bag, a plastic grocery bag, a large Ziploc bag, or a backpack. How many potential 3 hat and bag combos do I have to choose from? Let's go. Step one, have plan. Yeah. Oh, what's up, geek? Welcome back, bro. This would be. I could see this featured on the ninth grade, but it would be a fair game to be on the eighth grade. Why do I need three? So I look good, bro. I don't know what the vibe is going to be like when I show up to the beach. It might be like a top hat type of vibe. It might be like a baseball cap type of vibe. You know what I mean? No, I can't carry them in my hand. Okay, Yeet's got an answer here. I want to look cool when I show up to the beach. I don't want to have a bunch of hats in my hand. Ooh, we're getting a lot of different answers here. We might have to have a redemption of the redemption. How crazy would that be? Alright. Saki. Elizabeth, or I'll just go with Lynn. Elena. Sorry, Tammy. Animation. It's all good. Alicia. Jane. Yeet already got you for an answer, dude. We're doing combinations, Joey. Study. Nice. Dude, the redemption is real. Neil, yes. Yeah, the redemption is absolutely real. Tejas might just be guessing that. What was your answer? Oh, Geo. Sorry, bro. Got you. Rodney's got 60, 50. Rodney up in there. Got you, bro. Yeet, already got an answer from you, dude. I only write one. Phoenix. Nice. Nice skills. Nice. uh... Joey, okay. Geo, I got you, bro. The chat's just a little slow. Minty. So... dying. Okay. So let's go into this one. Okay. So we got to start with the combination of hats, because once we know what our combination is hats, then we can either bring them in this or that. You know what I'm talking about? So we got to start with the picking first. We're going to pick 11 potentially, then 10 potentially, then 9. That's our 3 hats we have to choose from. How many are we picking? 3. So we do 3 factorial. 3 times 2 times 1. Now I'm going to be a little slick here, because another way you could kind of write this would be times 10 times 9. And I'm just going to reorder this. And look at what I can do here, bros. I could just straight up turn this into a 3, and I could just straight up turn this into a 5. So really, this would just be 11 times 5 times 3. And that's just 55 times 3. Right? So then 55 times 3, 15, 15, 16. So the number of hat combinations would be 165. But we have a lot of different ways we can bring these hats. We can bring them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways. So then we have to put these combinations in the 5 different bags that they could potentially be in. A25, the chat is absolute magic. Yeah. Yeah, that's how this one goes down, guys. It's kind of fun. Yeah. Yeah, that's a sweet picture of John Cena. He looks really good. Um, so good job on the redemption, bros. Yeah, good job on the redemption. Cool. Yeah. Okay, good. Nice. Well done. Um, so hopefully that cleared things up with permutations and combinations. I feel like I just wanted to introduce it yesterday, and then today I feel like we just locked it home. So really, really nice, guys. Really, really nice. Let's see. So what do you guys want to work on next? uh, yeah, I haven't really thought about it. I was just like really focusing on. You guys want to talk about meat cakes? We can talk about that. uh, skills. Yeah, I saw the thumbnail you sent me. That that absolutely lifelike picture you drew. That is really a work of art, dude. We were like laughing about that one for like minutes, dude. That was funny. Um, yeah. So yeah, I mean, I actually can't stay super long today. I have a class like right after this at 7, so I don't think I'm going to sing the My Little Pony theme song, but even if it was a super chat, I don't know if you could get me to sing it, but yeah. Um, yeah, actually there are links allowed. I allow links in the chat, but they like sometimes hold back the links. Like I have to like manually approve the links. And if I'm like writing a problem or whatever, it like I'm not like paying attention to the chat and they just like scroll past. So, yeah. I can give you guys another math problem though, for sure. Oh, geometry? Yeah. Oh, we could do geometry. Um, Let me see if I can get something that would be very difficult for you guys. Let me see. What would be very tough? Um, Hold on. Let me look through my. Look through my database. See if I can get a hard problem for you guys. Let me see here. Good. Thanks, Minty. Thanks for having my back, Minty. You want a grade 3 math problem? I could give you a really, really hard grade 3 math problem for sure. Let me see. I want to give you guys something that's challenging though. Like nothing that's too easy. Oh, that actually might be hard. Ooh, that actually might be really hard. Okay, on this one I'm gonna do. All right, so give me a second. I'm gonna draw up a problem. Oh, that's really ugly. All right, sorry. Sorry. Let me do another one. Oh, nice, dude, Leo. I just got that. Okay, I'll check that when the stream's over. That's funny. Okay. All right. I gotta focus. It's time to focus, dudes. I'm like delirious because it's Friday, and I'm like, after this, I have one more session for the week, and then I get this whole weekend off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So let me draw this really quick. I still haven't found my ruler. It's underneath probably piles of paper that I've thrown to the ground from these tutoring sessions with you guys. But we get by. We get by. Um, okay. uh, Dude, I almost bought this like monster pad of grid paper yesterday. That would have been hilarious. I should actually just do that. Um, 8. All right, can this even all fit? Okay, yeah, I can. All right, great. Okay, yeah. I think it all fits. The writing is really tiny. Maybe I will do one. All right, here's the beautiful diagram. Yay. All right, the area of ABCD is 32. What is the area of the shaded half circle? Dude, the chat is so funny. Oh my gosh. Dude, Jane, what is going on? You're like so fast with the answers always. Oh, that's really good. 12.5, Rachel. Dude, I was putting good energy in the air for your practice test yesterday, Rachel. I hope you absolutely crush it. Skills. There's like not enough room to write all these answers. Fast and wrong. Dude, that happens, man. You just try to get it in within a minute and a half. Like any faster than a minute and a half is like, I don't know. It's good, but not necessary. Not It is not necessary. Animation. Lena. I'm assuming that N in your answer, Helena, is a pi. That's actually a pretty decent letter to use for pi. 50 pi with the Tejas. Yeah, oh, nice. Nice adjustment, Helena. Nice. I'll give you guys like 30 more seconds on this. Okay. Daniel, I think you're a little off, man. You might want to go back, check your multiplication. Not saying you're wrong, but that's a little bit. That number is just from my perspective at least, that number seems a little big. Okay, so yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go over this now because I kind of have to like find a way to wrap this stream up pretty quickly here. So I see your answers, bros. I can't go over it. All right, so check the fresh. This is a rectangle. How do we know? Because we got four right triangles or four right angles. Bang, bang, bang. Rectangle. So if the whole area of this is 32, that means 4 times something equals that 32, length times width. We're going to divide both sides by 4 just to be real safe about it, and x equals 8. That means that's 8. That means this is 8. Okay, so in order to get the area of this half circle, bros, you got to know what this big line is, right? So how do we do that? Pythagorean theorem. Now, if you're really slick, you would recognize that this is a common right triangle, a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, but I'll do it straight up just in case. So we know that Pythagorean theorem is a squared, b squared, c squared. So that's going to be 6 squared, 8 squared equals c squared. That's going to be 36 plus 64 equals c squared. That's 100 equals c squared. If we take the square root of both sides, what we're going to get is c equals 10. So this here is 10. Okay, so now just one step away, we need to find the area. Now the area equation is pi r squared because we're dealing with squared units, right? So what's the radius? It is not 10. The radius is 5, which is half of the diameter. That's the radius. Bang. So we're going to throw a 5 in there, and what we're going to get is 25 pi. Now, a lot of people got that for the answer, but we're dealing with a half circle, bros. We're not dealing with a full circle. So we have to divide that by 2, and that's why the homies got that 12.5. You got that 12.5 pi. Yeet. So yeah, that's how this one goes down. Just remember with half circles, bros. It's big brain. Just remember with half circles, you take the area for that full circle and then just divide it by 2, and then you're home. I mean, that's just how this one goes down. Yeah. How many pi digits can I recite? Like 2, 3.14. That's it. If it was on the SHSAT, I'd be really good. Like, people clown on me for my spelling all the time, and I'm just like, bro, spelling isn't on any standardized tests, so why do I need to know spelling? Like, the moment that spelling goes on the SAT or the SHSAT, I'm gonna get legit at spelling. But until then, I don't care. All I really care is that I'm able to do every single thing that the test expects you to do, and to be able to teach that to you guys. So that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm about. Yeah. Okay. So let's do another. Let's do another. Very impressive, Wiz. That's actually a really good point. Oh yeah, static. Oh yeah, yeah. 900 sub. Yeah. Guys, if I get to 900 subs, do static all the time. Okay. So definitely tell your friends about the stream. Tell them about the channel. Be dropping way more videos. Did you guess it yesterday, Rachel? No way. We're gonna be doing way videos in the fall. Why do I say me? So I'm always trying to step up my game for you guys. So I'm going to continue to do that. And if we get to 900 subs, we're going to do just an absolutely excellent static stream. 1,000 subs? I don't know what we'll do for 1,000 subs. Yeah, I mean, I'm not 100% sure what we would do. But yeah, just keep your friends. That's really chill, skills. Wow. That's if that's for real. I mean, hopefully you can make even more videos now. I was loving that speed through you did. Cool, man. Yeah, that's what's up. So let's give. Yeah, excuse me. I've been drinking this weird concoction. It's like coconut water and cranberry juice. My friend recommended it, and it's just like, okay. So let's do another one. Dude, oh, that's a really good idea. Dude, what if we for 1,000 subs, I might do like a super long stream. Like, what do you guys think about that? For if I get 1,000 subs, we'll do the 900 for the static, obviously. Obviously, I've already done so much work. But how do I say this? Yeah, for 1,000 subs, maybe we'll do a super stream. What would that would even be? Like 4 hours? Like 5 hours? Maybe I'll do the entire night. I'll just do a ton of problems all night. You know what I mean? Maybe 4 to 6 hours, and just totally just go for it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, that's something I'm playing with. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe I'll do an all day stream for the 1,000 subs special or whatever. 24-hour stream, dude. 13-hour stream, dude. I don't know, man. Yeah, I really don't know. Okay, cool. So let's just do another problem. Let's see. What would be, because this has got to be the last problem, because I actually have to leave in 5 minutes, dudes. Let me see. Yeah. Dude, I hope that I can get 1K before October, because YouTube takes so long to actually confirm your monetization or whatever. That's the goal. So yeah, man. I don't know. I think it'd be really chill just to get that. Um, let me see. Yeah, I don't know if I even have time for another problem, dudes, because I kind of have to like get ready for um get ready for this next class. Yeah, this stinks though because yeah, I'm just gonna have to. All right, dudes, this is the iconic ending. I gotta cut it short today. Happy Friday to everybody, even though it's the summer. You don't care. Yee, because I do have to do another class right after this. So like right at 8. So that's why I'm like, or right at 7 rather. So I'm like jetting out of here. So let me see. Yeah, all right, guys. If you have any thumbnails, or if you just have any questions, I've been getting a ton of questions lately, and it's been awesome. I'm so happy to help you guys. I may not give you the answer to your question, but I would definitely tell you how like how to do it. You know what I mean? Dude, I will be playing Brawl Stars later. Definitely invite me. Where's my iPad? All right. So definitely invite me to be your friend. If you guys want to play. Oh, dang. My thing. Yeah. So, dudes, definitely subscribe if you're, just chilling. If this is your first time in the chat or whatever, like, definitely, um, just like subscribe or at least just like tell your friends about it or whatever. You know what I mean? So, like, yeah. I mean, definitely sub. Trying to get to 900, and we will do a static stream. I don't know what that's going to be yet, but it's probably going to be really lit. So yeah. I don't really know how to add people in Brawl Stars yet, but you can definitely add me if you'd like. Yeah, and if you're interested, animation to hire me as a tutor, I am taking some new clients. I'm like so packed right now. I probably can take like one or two new clients max. Just shoot me an email there. We could figure it out or whatever. Yeah, that's the name of the guild, Tyler Guido. Yeah, I was playing before the stream actually. I think I was playing like a couple matches before the stream, so I'll be playing later tonight probably too. But yeah, definitely if you're interested in tutoring, you can always email me. But there's also a ton of free stuff that you can do on my website. If you go to the what is the SHSAT section and scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to choose math and yeah, that is my username, AO, math or English. And there's like a lot of work to be done. There's also games on the site. You could check it out. I think I'm gonna get rid of Geometry Swamp. I don't know. But there's also places to practice too. So yeah, bros. Nice. Oh, dude, thanks, Rachel. All right, bros. I gotta get out of here. I got another thing going on, but happy weekend, dude. Maybe I'll be dropping something this weekend. I don't know. Definitely tell your friends, bro. Okay, peace.